If you're looking for learning and education baby toys, here's a collection you've got to see. Learning and Education Baby Toys. Geography, Bestsellers Collection. Number 1. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Superjune. Number 3, by Pacon. Choose the best baby toys for you, baby. Click the circle for more info. Number 4, by TCP Global. Number 5, by Replogle Globes Incorporated. Find these learning and education baby toys at up to 70% off by clicking the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.